Di ko alam na kumakanta at sumasayaw din pala itong si Kai. Ito yung kasabayan ni Fiang, 'di ba? Kasi nag-react ako kay Fiang earlier. Now, nakita ko yung video na to from Kai. So, bigyan po natin ng reaction. Suwabe lang. Hindi siya pilit, no? Ang effortless. Hey. May natural swag si Kai. Like, with all honesty to ha. Grabe yung face card, oh. Well, that was really effortless. May natural na pitik si Kai. May natural na swag siya. And her voice actually has some good nuances to it. So, I'm excited for Kai. No? Sana mag-collab sila ni Fiang. Okay? Looking forward.